How to see your muted words on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your muted words on Twitter. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and click on settings and privacy right here. Now after you click on settings and privacy, choose the fourth option, it's privacy and safety, and then choose again the fourth option, it's mute and block. Click on it, and here you will find four options, and here is the muted words option. All what you have to do is click on it, and right here you will find your muted words, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.